video number 2 for 20519 Itasca Shores Drive out here. We have been working diligently over here. We had a very large team of volunteers today that gave their time, their energy, and their expertise to help us demo this home. The entire first story was wiped out, probably about 4.5 foot of water in this home. Very few things were recovered. As you can see, just a few chairs and some second story items out here. Couches, you know, those couches you guys love to sit on. Not much left inside the home. You can see all that out here. Mailbox is in good shape. Let's see, contractor, check that out. There you go. Debris removal, we need that guy. Mold spraying, flooring, that might come in handy. All right, let's go take a peek inside. A couple wheelbarrows from their church and some disinfectant, some antibacterial growth stuff. Coming in the home, got the owner here.
That's pretty much it.
Looks a little bit different than it did yesterday. We got a floating couch over here. Had to remove all the radiant bearing, which was soaked, sheetrock, baseboards. So it's carpeted in here. The radiant bearing is ridiculously difficult to remove. All the power is shut off. We're running off a generator right now for safety purposes. Completely removed. Double oven was located in the kitchen. Microwaves and such. Granite countertops, sinks, everything had to come out. All the part of the board is going to be that's all your mold's going to grow. This is just structure for the stairs. What used to be a bathroom. See all this washer and dryer in here floating yesterday. We got shoes on the ground and a little table. That's Chris. What's up, Chris?
Hi.
A little wet bar that we don't need. Don't need it now, but it was really wet for a couple of days. Living room. We moved everything 2 foot below where the water line was in this home. We had a beautiful bedroom in here yesterday with a full bedroom suite, bed, completely made. His and hers, countertops, granite countertops were removed, shower and tub. The shower looks like it's staying for now, and jet or whirlpool tub was removed as well. Everything upstairs looks good though. Not so much junk in here today. This is about a day's worth of work for probably, how many volunteers did you say were here? Probably 50 people in the home, so this is no joke. If you have time to spare or desire to serve, anybody on any one of these flooded streets could use your help here in Itasca, Kingwood.